So just a quick way to lay stuff out that's a little bit different. If you're a visual person, it really helps. These are fake doors. Aren't they pretty? The lovely red spacers are spacing blocks, setup blocks that you can get on Amazon or at your local woodworking supply shop like Woodcraft or Rockler. I just kind of do things a little bit different, space it out to where it makes sense to me and I can see it visually, I can work with it. I got one more cut to do, and it's an easy measurement to find.